Okay, let's see the last data type that we'll need for our Python networking adventure, dictionaries. A dictionary is an unordered set of key-value pairs, separated by commas, and enclosed by curly braces. They are very useful for storing information in a pair format. Like for example, for a router, we can store data in the following form. Vendor, Cisco. Model, 2600. iOS 12.4, and so on. Now, dictionaries are mutable, which means we can modify their contents using dictionary-specific methods. Why do I say dictionary-specific? Because, unlike strings or lists, dictionaries are not indexed by element position, like we had 0 for the first element, 1 for the next, and so on. Dictionaries are indexed by the key. This is the value on the left side of the column. We will see this in practice, don't worry. For now, let's just create an empty dictionary. So let's go ahead and delete this. Let's say dict1 equals open and close curly braces. Let's see dict1. Now let's do a type on dict1 to confirm that it is indeed a dictionary. So type dict, okay. This is how you define a dictionary. Now let's add some data to it. So let's say dict1 equals vendor Cisco model, let's say 2600, iOS version, let's say 12.4, and lastly the number of ports, 4 ports. Okay, close the curly braces, and that's it. Let's see dictionary dict1. Okay, now each dictionary element is made of a key, a colon, and a value, then followed by a comma, and then you type in the next element, and so on. Now let's notice a few things here. First, because the keys in this case are actually strings, each key is enclosed by quotes, single or double quotes. This may be the most widely spread data type for a key in a dictionary. You may also use a number as a key in order to have some kind of numbering system, like this. So let's create dictionary d1 equals, let's say 1, first element, and 2, second element, and so on. Let's see, D1. Okay. Now returning to our dict1 dictionary, let's see it one more time. Another thing to notice is that although when we created the dictionary, we entered the vendor Cisco pair first, then the model pair, then the iOS pair, and lastly the ports pair, when we are displaying the dictionary, they are ordered in another way, at random. This was what I meant when I said that a dictionary is an unordered set of key-value pairs, so keep this in mind. Don't worry, dictionaries are not so chaotic though. Python helps us a bit when using dictionaries. We will see how in the next lecture. A key thing to remember is that each key in the dictionary must be unique and should be an immutable type. This means you can have strings, numbers, or tuples as keys, but not lists. On the other hand, values don't have to be unique and can be either of an mutable or an immutable data type.